Alright, I got a nice little Zippo, a new one for my collection the other day. It came in the standard black cardboard Zippo box, and it is called Flies. Let's take a look at it. And it's on the high polished chrome finish case, and you can see there are some little creatures walking around on this Zippo. And it was made in February of 2010, so it's a couple years old. Does it work? It's a Zippo, so it sure works. And that is going into my bug collection of my Zippo collection, the bug part of my Zippo collection. That's a pretty nice one. Knuckle bump.